Good morning and welcome to another vlog. This is a quick tour of the Alton Towers main hotel where we actually stayed last night, so I thought I'd get some footage and show you guys around for a bit. So this is the front of the hotel and this is where you come in behind me. So the first car park you want to try is this one on that side. So as you're coming in, it's on your left. If that one's full, go to the one on your right. And then if that one's full, you then have to park in the Splash Landings Hotel, which is just a smaller version of all the other big car parks. So, but yeah, the best one is either that one on this side or that one on that side. So you've got the reception desk behind me, which is obviously where you check in, and then over that side is the little gift shop where you can buy some drinks and snacks and some of the stuff that's in Towers Trading. But yeah, doesn't do a great deal, doesn't do a lot of food, but it's a nice little shop. Get your fortune, man. What's up?
I'd love it if she jumped at you.
Yeah. Also, the toilets on this level in there are amazing toilets. They're very comfortable and clean. So this is the giant chair where everyone takes their photos. Ta-da! Can you even get up on that chair?
I can.
Ta-da!
Oh, I felt so small. I felt like a child.
Just like magic.
We just like it. It is magic.
It is magic. So if you want to get the best price for the hotel, I found that the online prices are okay. If you ring them up, it's a little bit cheaper, but also the phone call costs you, and it is quite an extortionate amount. But if you actually come into the resort and book it in person, I got it for pretty much half the price of what it was online. So I definitely recommend coming in and booking in person. It's a lot cheaper. Nice bathrooms. It is a mess because we've already used everything. But yeah, when you sit on the toilet as well, you get a picture of a robot sat on the toilet watching you, which is pleasant. Yeah, the showers are pretty good. Nice little splash back there. So yeah, you get little like shower stuff, hand gel and that sort of thing, which is nice. Oh my god, there's a giant teddy. Yeah, this room comes with a giant teddy. You're not allowed to take it with you though.
That's what they think.
That's what they think.
Keep it my
Tea station. This was mine and Ollie's sleeping arrangements, which is not quite long enough for an adult, but never mind. This is where the girls slept. Hi.
Hi,
Is it a comfy bed?
Yeah, I had a lovely night's sleep, comfy.
Yep. Also, Ollie, do the switches.
Oh my god. So, it's got to be
the
the right
switches.
order, isn't it?
Yeah.
That one.
You have to do
That
this in the
one.
right. There we go. If you don't get it in the right combination, and it follows your
Doesn't
finger.
work, look. Yeah.
Oh.
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 Is that one just a dummy switch?
It is. Oh my
So it's
God.
just these two?
It's just those two. So both down. No.
No, that one has to be up.
That one up.
That one up, and that
Down
one
and
down.
up. Ah, there we
And
go.
then it works. Do 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 do. Yeah. Awesome.
Good little nightlight.
It's cozy.
You need to put your thermals on.
You need to put your thermals on.
I've got mine on.
A heater. I think it doubles up as an aircon unit as well. And that's the view we've got. So this is the little outside seating area. At the moment it's pretty cold, but yeah, it's nice. It's nice to sit out here when it's a bit warmer at night. You've got the entertainment bit in there where they have a live band. Yeah, I think I've got a little bit of footage of. So yeah, there's the CBeebies Hotel across the way, which I've not stayed in that one yet. I've stayed in the Splash Landings one, which is just behind me now. That's also the food court bit, just in there, which will take you in and we'll have a look round. Yeah, it's the best breakfast at this hotel. It's always got the best selection.